up, guys? This is 139, the coldest day of the year. There's snow on the ground right now. It's only 16 degrees. My cross views are frozen. Yesterday was even worse. Yesterday there was probably 2 inches of ice around the whole on the entire bus, because we had like a mini ice storm and then a snowstorm, and then it rained and then it got cold. It took me about 45 minutes yesterday for my bus to get warmed up and for the ice to finally melt. Listen to how cold it is just by the start of the bus. Right now I have a DT 466 until my bus, or they switch me out. I don't know what they're going to do right now. But I'm in this bus until further notice. I don't mind because the DT 466 is a reliable engine. Very reliable. It's 2008, number 542.